and welcome back to my channel. Get your teas, coffees, get your nice spring wear on. I'm wearing this nice floral dress by Motel Rocks, and let's get into my everyday makeup for spring. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Powder. I'm just going to put this on with my fingers. For my first concealer, I'll be using the Lasting Radiance by Rimmel in the shade Soft Beige. Just put that all over my blemishes. I always get spots around this area when I'm due on. It's really annoying. Anyone else get that around their chin? Under the eyes. Down the bridge of my nose. And then to blend that out, I'm just using a beauty blender. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Revolution Pro in number F7. I'll just squirt this on the back of my hand before I put it onto my face. This is quite a high coverage foundation, so I'm just going to use another beauty blender to blend this in my face. And then I'm also going to use the P. Louise base, cosmetic base, just to conceal these biggest spots. I'm just going to put the tiniest bit on a beauty blender and dab it. I'm going to take the Zoeva brush 322 and also just put this on my eyelids to base my eyes. And I'm going to take the Bare Minerals medium foundation with the Bare Minerals brush and just put this all over my face. It's just a powder. It sets all of it into place. It's been around for ages, but it's one of the best. Some people use it as a foundation, but I like a bit more high coverage. Now my face is looking flawless. It looks like I have no blemishes at all. How we like it. Then I'm going to use the Aloha contour stick to contour my face. So down the sides of your cheeks, under my double chin to make it look like I don't have one, down the nose to make my nose look more, and then on my forehead. Then I'll just take a MAC 168 brush and blend this in. And then I'm going to take my Pound bronzer from Primark, one of the best bronzers, and it's cheap, and I'm going to use the same brush and just blend this in on my cheeks. Then I'm going to take the Soft and Gentle MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder and just go over my cheeks. blush, I'm going to take the Sleek Creme to Powder blush, and on a Real Techniques brush, contour brush, I'm just going to put this in here and build on my cheeks. Like so. This is a very pinky blush, as you can tell. Get on my nose. Give that sun-kissed finish. And to blend it out, I'm just going to go back with this just to make it a bit more subtle. For my highlight, I'm going to take the Iconic London Illuminator and pop this down here, under my brows. And then on my Cupid's bow. It's a bit much on my lip, but we can work with it. And then with a finger, I just blend this out. I find it easier to blend with finger. Gives that nice dewy glow, which I'm really liking at the minute for spring. Makes me look all healthy. So now that's all blended, I look nice and glowy. Let's do the eyebrows. So my eyebrows, I always use this palette, to be fair. It's the Freedom Pro palette, medium to dark. This is actually discontinued and I am trying to find a dupe for you guys, but I can't find one, but I'll let you know when I do. However, I have seen these still on Amazon, so I might pick up some of them. And I just fill my eyebrows in with a liner pencil by MAC. It's 317. Then to set my brows, I use the Pixie by Petra Brow Tamer. Just a little ball like this. And to set them, I like to brush my eyebrows up, eyebrow hairs up. Just think it gives that more natural look. And you see the difference. This one's more like spiky and this one's all tame. So I'll do a close up. See, it just pulls my brow hairs up while setting it into place, like so. So that's my brows done. For my eyes, I've been loving the Huda Beauty Desert to Dusk palette. I'm going to use the shade Turkish Delight. I think it's a perfect colour for spring, and I'm just going to use this on a soft definer brush by 227 by Zoeva. I'm going to use a eyeliner pencil by Terry in the shade Black to do my wing. And I'm going to use the They're Real mascara by Benefit just to fill in For my lips, I'm going to use the Guerlain Le Rouge A Porter 202 lipstick in Rose Fantasy. And it's just a nice pink shade like this. I'm just going to pop this all over my lips. So I like to have my lipstick a bit more pigmented. So I use this as a base and then I'll go over it with another lipstick. So this one's by Estee Lauder. And it's just another hot pink. Just makes it a lot more pigmented and I find it lasts longer. To set my face, I'm going to be using the All Night Setting Spray by Urban Decay. Just let that dry. And once it's all dry, we're all good to go. But yeah, this is the finished look. Nice bronzy glowy look for spring. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked my video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.